Did you know that nearly 20% of engine performance issues can be traced back to one ridiculously simple part? It's not your spark plugs, not your air filter, it's your gas cap. This tiny plastic cap on your fuel tank can play a vital role to make your engine run like new again. Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, most drivers completely ignore this one simple part, and it could be robbing their engine performance, fuel efficiency, and even longevity. In this video, I am going to show you exactly what to do to your gas cap to instantly restore your engine's smooth performance, boost your fuel efficiency, and even prevent costly repairs down the line. You have never looked at your gas cap like this before, but after today, you'll never ignore it again. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Replace your cracked or worn gas cap. Your gas cap isn't just a cover to keep fuel from sloshing out. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the correct pressure inside your fuel system. Over time, the rubber seal on the gas cap gets worn out, cracked, or brittle. This allows fuel vapors to escape and throws off the pressure inside your fuel tank. Modern engines rely on a sealed fuel system to regulate pressure, which affects how fuel is delivered to the engine. If the system can't maintain proper pressure, your engine may experience stalling, hesitation, or poor acceleration. The good news is, a new gas cap is not costly. You can get a high-quality gas cap for less than $20 at any auto parts store. This tiny upgrade seals the fuel system properly, restores the right vapor pressure, and helps your engine burn fuel exactly how it's supposed to. Secret number 2. Fix or replace a loose gas cap. A loose gas cap is one of the most overlooked causes of poor engine performance and can instantly trigger the check engine light. It may also trigger trouble codes like P0440 or P0457. When your gas cap is not screwed on tightly or the locking mechanism no longer works, your EVAP system can't contain fuel vapors properly. This can lead to a drop in fuel efficiency and may even cause a rough idle or a dip in acceleration. Simply tightening the cap until it clicks, or replacing it if it no longer tightens securely, can often clear the check engine light and restore optimal engine behavior. It's one of the simplest ways to fix what feels like a complicated problem. Secret number 3. Clean the gas cap and filler neck. Sometimes the issue isn't the cap itself, but the dirt, sand, or grime around it. The gas cap's seal relies on smooth contact between the rubber gasket and the filler neck. When that area becomes coated with dust or residue from fuel, it compromises the seal. This can allow pressure to leak, causing vapor loss and disrupting fuel system performance. Here WD-40 plays a game-changer role. WD-40 is perfect for loosening up stuck parts and removing grime. Just spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean cloth and wipe down the threads and gasket of the gas cap. You can also lightly spray inside the filler neck threads and then wipe clean to remove rust or debris. WD-40 helps restore smooth movement, improves the seal, and protects against future corrosion. And don't worry, WD-40 won't damage the rubber. In fact, it helps restore some of that lost flexibility, especially if your gas cap is just starting to show signs of aging. This simple trick can make your gas cap feel brand new and help your engine maintain proper fuel system pressure. Secret number 4. Install a vented or non-vented cap according to your system. Not all gas caps are created equal, and using the wrong type can actually hurt your engine. Some vehicles are designed to use vented caps, which allow air to flow into the tank to equalize pressure as fuel is consumed. Others require a non-vented, fully sealed cap to keep the emission system airtight. Installing the wrong one can confuse your vehicle's sensors and result in inconsistent fuel delivery, hesitation, or engine misfires. Always check your owner's manual or consult a mechanic to determine the correct type for your system. Secret number 5. Replace the rubber gasket on the cap. Over time, the soft rubber gasket on the inside of the gas cap can become brittle, cracked, or flattened. This gasket is crucial because it's what seals the cap to the tank opening. If it degrades, even a good-looking gas cap won't be able to hold in vapors or maintain the system's pressure. Fortunately, in many cases, the gasket can be replaced separately without needing a brand new cap. This restores the seal and allows your engine management system to maintain stable pressure for fuel delivery. A faulty gasket can also let in moisture or dust, which could reach your fuel tank and affect combustion efficiency. Just a few bucks and a few minutes can restore a solid seal, which will help your car run cleaner and smoother. That's all for this video. So, the next time you're chasing better performance, don't just look under the hood. Start with your gas cap, because sometimes it's the smallest things that make the biggest difference. If you found this video useful, smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe the channel to fuel up the confidence. Do you have any question? Tell me in the comment section. I will catch you in the next video.